My absolute pleasure to introduce to you, for celebrating the Crown Prince, our host for the evening. None is more qualified than she is. Her Royal Highness, the Empress, Denise Isis Miller. Give it up for her. Hey, thank you so much, Chairman of the Board of Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, Najeeriii. And of course, I just want to say thank you so much for holding it up, because at the end of the day, we're celebrating Dennis Emmanuel Brown 68. And guess what? You were exposed to some awesome roots rock reggae music. So the show started long time. No, clap on yourselves, man. Clap yourselves. We're celebrating the Crown Prince of Reggae. It is Reggae Month. It's also Black History Month. So I don't have a problem with them both, because I think that one complements the other, because our music is a part of our story, not his story. See? So that's how we're looking at it, all right? So we say congratulations once again to Najeeriii, Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, and of course we say also give thanks to the Dennis Brown Trust, right? Junior Lincoln celebrating a birthday as well today. Let's give it up for Junior Lincoln! Blessed Earth Strong Junior, wherever you are. I know you're in here somewhere. And celebrating alongside Dennis Emmanuel Brown. And trust me, we just give thanks. We said, Trevor, you don't know. So, Edna, are you ready? Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. I'm not hungry. Edna, are you ready? Yeah! Figure do Dennis Brown rock steady. Yeah! One more time. Edna, are you ready? Yeah! Oh, Lord. Figure do Dennis Brown rock steady. Alright, we are ready. Well, I'm going to say artists to say one of my favorites, you know. So many of them tonight who are coming to sing for Dennis Emmanuel Brown, and I'll get like a goosebump and thing. This artist is so dynamic. Writes well, sings well, and trust me, we're looking forward to hear it. I'd love to find out in a couple of minutes which Dennis Brown song he has. Let's give it up for Marlon Brown!
Thank you very much. Hi, good night, all beautiful. Our story should be taught in all schools. Please put it back in the curriculum. Don't just give us space.
Now
While we grew tall, we were from Africa. We were forefathers, were bought and sold. They were in chains, now they're putting on the ground. And the suffering still remains the same. And we're wearing the slave master's name. Yeah, we're wearing slave master's name. Yeah, we're wearing slave master's name. Thank you very much. This song was really inspired to me by listening to this Dennis Brown. Yeah, and when I first heard this song, it gave me the chills. Yeah.
About the half that's never been told. Cut to fit for Marlon Brown. No! It just cut to fit Marlon Brown. I want to introduce you officially to the Najeeriii Jammers. Okay. This is a Najeeriii Jammers. Give them a round of applause. Najeeriii Jammers! back here, you don't mind, but it's alright for them. So guess what I want, you know? We do want to apologize for the late start, but you know, showers of blessings. But at the same time, I want to bless up Mikey T from Cool FM, who did an awesome job in playing Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Give him a round of applause, Mikey T! Cool FM! Yeah, man. And also, we gotta remember that a lot of you probably headed downtown, right? Because in actuality, that was where the show was supposed to have been held. And you know, I love that Donut Town, because Donut Town me live, so I was looking forward to that. But there was a permit issue, etc., 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 based on certain things that are happening in our community. So, what me feel, it's alright, that's at the right place. No! Clap Edna Manley! Georgia, yeah man, because this is part of the original space. Original. And before I introduce the next artist, I just want to say that when I think of Edna Manley, and I don't want to get too emotional now, because I love ball, you know. I'm not ashamed to tell you some love ball. Right now I feel the energy and spirit of Michael Ibu Cooper. He is our ancestor, and he's here with us tonight, right here at Edna. And the reason why I'm so emotional is because he and I co-hosted these shows for many, many, many moons. So I learned so much from Ibu. So I just want to recognize him right now as an ancestor and bless up his family and the Edna Manley family who are here. Give him a round of applause. He's an ancestor. So, this next artist is like, trust me. I love some woman them come on the show them in it, because sometimes we're not getting a space. This artist is multifaceted. Multifaceted. She is singer-songwriter, producer, promoter. Right now she's promoting an event that's happening around town called Dub Force. And she just have it like that. And I'm so happy to bring her on stage at this time. Let's give it up for Aisha Bell.
I come to wake up the ancestors in you all tonight, because it is Black History Month also, though it is Reggae Month. This one called Ancestor Song. Lion oh lioness, say mighty, mighty I, mighty you oh mighty I, say mighty, mighty I, mighty you oh mighty I. What say oh lioness, get up and know you are the mightiest. Oh lioness, stand up and know you are the greatest. You want this? Children of the sun, you'll hear since time begun. And now you're living in illusion, finding a spell's confusion. They trick you out and cry, convince you that you're wrong, because you not know yourself. You don't know yourself. You are the strongest forces in the world, are coming every night. Oh lioness, get up and know you are the mightiest. Oh lioness, wake up and know you are the greatest. Oh lioness, wake up and know you are the mightiest. Oh lioness, stand up and know you are the greatest. Get up here with amnesia. What's wrong? You see like your ancestors round in a circle, not know where you belong. Truth is real pain, on the DNA strain. Blood memories like on your brain. Gonna come at the earth, the original train. Open up your mind, record and change. This will not work. lioness. So right now you're going to sing with me and say, mighty, mighty I. You can't follow me with that? You can't do it for me? What I say now? Mighty, mighty I. Turn now. Yeah, your turn. Play low and let me hear them, man. Yeah, man. Just like that. One more time. Just remember you're lion and lioness. Makes me righteous. So what we say? Oh, it is the war. Oh, psychological war. Oh, a criminal war. Oh, yes, I war. But some of you are dancing in nothing alone. You got it wanted. So drunk, and I know who you are when you're the mothership, original star. Oh, Lion, mighty, mighty, yes. Oh, yeah, stand up and go, sing for me, say Lion. Let me see you wave your hands if you're a lion and lioness. If you're strong up, you're not here right now. Yeah, stand up and go, mighty, mighty I. Mighty, mighty I. Say mighty, mighty I. Mighty, mighty I. Say mighty, mighty I. Mighty, mighty I. Say mighty, mighty I. Mighty, mighty I. Oh, thank you. That require a drink. No, I'm gonna take it easy with Mr. Brown. If you know this one, give me one, let me catch my bird, please. Am I allowed? Thank you. My name is Aisha Bell. It's an honor to sing for you all. It's a blessing from the Most High to stand in this space and give tribute to a stalwart, a road cutter like Emmanuel. Run easy, take it easy. Another help me, please. Alright?
That's a
Now
nice.
let's take it nice and easy now.
Nice, money, nice.
Rub it up time. Hey, yeah, yeah. Nice and easy. Easy, take it easy. I make you so rough. Easy, take it easy. You're too rough. Yeah. Oh, don't forget to come dance now. We can't make it so nice and easy. Rocking up the sea, my long tune. I can keep it sweet. Easy, take it easy. I make you so rough. Easy, take it easy. I make you so tough. You're too rough. You're too tough. Easy, take it easy. I make you so rough. Easy, take it easy. I make you so tough.
Yeah, music shit does that's why I name is why you know I come out there. When you pan,
It's nice.
Many people are going
It's nice,
for
it's
the
nice.
job, man.
It's nice,
Yeah, man,
it's
just
nice.
like that.
More, I keep doing them. More, I keep doing.
The next part
Hold it
now.
more, I keep doing. Yeah, man.
Easy, take it easy. I'll be right there with you. Easy, take it easy. See what you can do. You're too rough. You're too tough. You're too rough. You're too tough. if you know, you're too tough. My name is Aisha Bell, and it was an honor to sing for you tonight. You're too tough. He said, take it easy. Yes, sister. Show them what's gonna. He said, take it easy. You're too tough. You're too tough. You're too rough. You're too tough. You're too rough.
Look here, the man. You see, when you hear all them through the boy, the way me love the drum, I wish I could sing. I just wish I could sing. So I could sing Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Because as they always say, Dennis Brown is a singer. Everyone wanted to sound like Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Not true? Hi, everyone, till them find them own little niche. Yeah, man? So here what we're going to know. You see, next week, Wednesday, right just so, at Edna Manley College of School of Visual and Performing Arts.
Yeah,
all females performing. All female showcase.
Yeah, that no.
Can you imagine that? We gotta be here, right? Man and woman thing. Yeah, man, straight. So make sure you're here. It starts at, is it 6 o'clock? I think it's 6 o'clock. But let's be here early. Najeerii's Reggae Wednesday, right? So, the whole heap of females, including Nadine Sutherland, right? So make sure you're there. And remember, you know, how much money you pay for coming here? How much money you pay to come in here? So it goes to show you. So once again, Najeeriii, bless up yourself. Dennis Brown Trust, bless up yourself. Let go. Remember, let me tell you, these names are the foundation. Junior, Lincoln, they're the foundation. So the next artist we're going to bring up right about now is Matthew. I'm going to name straight, come and chat out all the information. Chat. Matthew Malcolm. And of course, he's from the hills of St. Andrew. And 3-time winner of Altogether Sing from Oberlin High School. And he's also a star in the making. He played young Seiko in the One Love Bob Marley movie. Let's give it up for Matthew!
Greetings in the name of His Most Imperial Majesty.
Ja.
Yeah! I'm feeling. Yeah, man. Sure. This skill, blowing in the morning, activate some peace of mind. Thankful to the Most High, living in a serious time. When, don't you know you conquered me? I won't ever let you be. 9 and 6 feet off my feet, you never held me down. Because don't you know I'm gonna live you? All my thoughts I put them for you. Lift you from my heart. Don't you know I always love you? All my thoughts I put before you. Picked you from my heart and I was free. People, cut it up, I don't wanna go fix it. We don't need cars, it's all over the remedy. Holding up in the crowd with no time. The realness is the key, preserving all the weak. I know this is not a joke, it's just a way to freedom speech. Don't you know you comfort me? I won't ever let you be there. 9 or 6 feet off my knee. You'll never roll me down. No. Don't you know I wanna live you? All my thoughts I put before you. Picked you from my heart and I was free. Oh God, don't you know? All my thoughts I put before you. Picked you from my heart and I was music? You love reggae music? Don't you know I'll never leave you? All my thoughts I put before you. Picked you from my garden, I was free. Make some noise for Dennis Brown one time. Yeah, man. No general, and I don't want to be no general. Ooh, oh, no, no. Ooh, no, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, no, no. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. I don't wanna be no general to end up in a funeral. I don't wanna be no general to achieve only a burial. Oh no, oh Lord, Lord, oh no, oh no. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure it? Whoa, Lord, the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it? Well, if you run like lightning, then you crash like thunder. Yeah, oh, if you run like you know, you know, you know, you know, you know. To be here tonight. Yeah, man. It's good to be amongst ones, you know what I mean? Love. Alright. Listen to this now. Listen to Mr. This now. Alright. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Take it on one time. From the mark to the cemetery, they don't want the youths learn no chemistry. Yeah. From the mark to the cemetery, they don't want the youths learn no chemistry. So ranking, come on and get skanking. Oh, ranking, come on and get skanking. Oh, ranking, come on and get whoa, 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 whoa. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. Sing with me. I want y'all to sing after me. You ready? I don't wanna be no general to end up in a funeral. One time. Sing. You know, you know, you know, you know, you know. My name is Matthew Malcolm. Have a great night. Love you.
Wow! Clap him again, man. You know, when I hear of All Together singing things like Rising Star and those kinds of productions, you see how I deliver? Because of these entities that carry forth with a lot of rehearsals and practice, and of course, coming forth with confidence, of course, entering the movie and doing so well in the movie. Clap these entities as well that are taking our children, we youth them. I want to clap Edna, you know. Because Edna pushed out a whole heap of musicians and bands. I won't even start. Because so much of them. But clap Edna, man, the School of Visual and Performing Arts once again. Yeah. Hey, Najeeriii, man, I tell you, our Vice Chairman Stingray, bless them. Yeah, man, we have to bless them because they work hard. And we give thanks for this production. It's not easy, you know, to have an event at one space, and then, of course, you have to move to another space in less than 24 hours. And see, you are here, so we give thanks, and we give thanks for this Reggae Month venture. And, of course, we now leave out Black History Month. No, sir. So, this brethren, may I tell you, you know, what I like about these artists too is that they wear many hats. Or turbans, or whatever you want to call it. This artist is a businessman and owns a restaurant. I don't know if he still owns it, but I know we used to go there for a lot of shows. And of course, I know exactly which D Brown song I'm going to sing. I'm not telling you no. Let's welcome Sam Paloo!
Yeah. Greetings, everyone. Give thanks for the gathering, you know. We have some work with D Brown, produce an album, write an album to the D Brown and things. So, my father, Phil Pratt, actually produced what about the half of the Sea Bridging Seed and looked up it. So, we have come from foundation of the music. Got it. Got it. Yeah, so it's a Straight I'm a close person here. Come up as you know, and I produce and I write some song. So, this song has been covered by a few people, and this is my rendition. It's out on my new album, Unmistakable, on the 5th of April. See? So, support. Give thanks again. Sample with the name, yeah? That's the fire.
There's a song he usually sings, I think it's Little Green Apples, and trick me this time. Dennis Brown has so many songs though, really, I mean, sure, yeah, I tell you. So, give it up in his full life. Take it away.
Jaria, Edna Manley. Yes. Alright, so long. What a good! When I celebrate, go Prince again. Whoa, yeah. I've been getting tired. So long now I've been getting tired. So long. Cause your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, Rastafari, tired. So long. I will, oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 So long, Rastafari, tired. So long. So long, Rastafari, tired. So long. Oh, your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, Rastafari, tired. So long. So long, now you've been tired. So long. I say so long, now you've been tired. So long. Oh, your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, now you've been tired. So long. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So long, Rastafari, call you. So long. So long, Rastafari, call you. So long. Oh, your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, Rastafari, call you. So long. I say your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, Rastafari, call you. So long. Oh, your enemies surround you. They're trying to devour you. So long, Rastafari, call you. So long. Yeah, man. When we are celebrating the big man, we have to celebrate him in that style. You know what I mean? Yeah. What up? So, we know that Dennis Brown was a lover of the women, right? That's why we call him Georgie Porgy. So we couldn't do a D Brown celebration and I sing no song for the ladies. Ladies in the day? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I hear it now. This happens to be my latest single. Watch this. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Like this. We've seen the broken hearted, you love started. Yeah, then I said, whoa, now. It's stop the fussing and the fighting, brother. Yeah, man, give chance to that place. I said, jump. I said, whoa, now. Don't be a cop. Whoa, now. Listen. It's stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. It's stop the fussing and the fighting, brothers. Our chain is as strong as its weakest link. Each man is brother's keeper. I say unity is the foundation of survival. Got to let your love come shining through. Everybody say, and stop the fussing and the fighting. Our time to be united, sister. Come on then, and stop the fussing and the fighting. Time to be united, boy and girl. Allowing them to face the judgment of this world. Man, woman, boy and girl. Come on, sing. It's not the fussing and the fighting. When I hear you, I'll be a crime and violence of one in the place, no man. Everybody say, it's not the fussing. Hush, hush. Sing it louder, see that? I curfew we are there now. I want them stop and be a kill them and kill off their mothers. Come on, girl, see. It's not the fussing and the hush, 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 hush. It's not the fussing and from a boy to a man, my mother grew me strong. Listen, yeah. Clarendon, be a friend, and that's where you be from. Say, boy! Yeah, man, no crime, no violence. Hey, go to Baruch and let me say, from a boy to a man, my mother grew me strong. Listen, man, hey. Clarendon, be a friend, and that's where you be from. Well, if I get to start money in a one man, they try to take a different road from me one. Hey. See how that couple never trying to no girl something. Take up the music and go sing that cup of tea. Never follow me friend and go step like that day. And that show me right for me idea of me day. She tell me from my boy greatness in a missus. Don't fall apart company. You hear? You can be what you want to be. Listen man, cause if I yellow she not look for me. In a cut, everyone hear them. Everybody say, don't. Hey. Mama used to clean house and wash with people. Travel the pattern it barefoot with a vehicle. To she work and especially run pan diesel. So me can't live a better life. Can't forget post cause that's how me grow. So big up every foundation and me know. No me turn artist another fake show. Me know mama she proud of me. She tell me say don't fall apart company. Hush, hush, hush. Hey, hear me I say, tell if this I got number one, you know. I mean them a hold, I mean them a try to fight. Cause me do the song and them a say, cause you know it's a crime, they make money a fight, right? Yeah man, they don't make money. You see, police have more work for do. But a two place to badness. In a jail house and on the ground. So I want to sing it louder. If you want to say better Jamaica, come on Jamaica. Everybody say, don't fall apart. Uncle Moota, you hear them? You can, I still hear them? Well, from a boy to a man, my mother grew me strong. Listen, hush. Mama says, son, God, you no fear me. No go your hard work in and you no lazy. And the prayer where she say you keep me daily. From a boy to a man, she said, keep doing it cause you know me proud. And stay focused when you're out a road. Aim to the sky and you can touch the clouds. And never you forget this, my son. Where she said, don't fall apart company. One love, Rastafari. From a boy to a Jerry, pick up myself, my first song, then it's ground. Then the size is below, every time.
What a
Yeah.
clap performance.
Nice. Defense. Pause. Yeah, man, I want to bless up Moota Baruch and also we said Black Attack. Black Attack. You don't know, stepping razor, cutting edge. Same thing now. Mutamba, Jackie, bless up yourself too. You don't know, the crew is in the house. Empress, bless up yourself every time. So, it continues. And, wow, you know, you heard me talking about Rising Star, right? And All Together Sing and how important they were or are in what they do when it comes down to our music. Then, so guess what? I have the 2024 winner of Rising Star in the house. His name is, you know him, Akeem Finau.
Men reach and get, we're not untamed by certain flight. They don't want their companion slip. I was dialing up one to the night. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Oh, Jesus Christ, He is my heavenly help. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Jesus Christ is my heavenly help. Watch out! So though I walk through the valley of death, I shall fear no evil. See, I shall lift my eyes up to the hills from whence cometh my help. Ooh, well, so when the wicked come upon me like a flood, Jesus Christ will cover me under the bloodline. Said I shall step into the battlefield. Know that my God is real. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Ooh, Jesus Christ, He is my heavenly help. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Ooh, Jesus Christ, He is my heavenly help. See many come upon me in false pretense, won't finish it clowning they my friends. Jesus Christ, He revealed them to me so I can see clearly. Yo, see I shall walk and not be afraid. Jesus Christ, He makes me brave. So when I sing to the Lord, and sing, oh come on, I fight them. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Oh, Jesus Christ, He is my... One more time. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Oh, Jesus Christ, He is my heavenly help. Jesus Christ is my heavenly help. Hallelujah, hallelujah to the King. Jesus, you're real. I can feel that you're the real. Hallelujah. I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. Ooh, Jesus Christ, He is my heavenly. Yes, I am a fighter, real but survivor. In Jesus Christ I put my trust. I shall not fail, I shall prevail. I'm telling you something. You see in life, anything you want, you have to fight for it. Nothing good not come easy. And that's why I write that song, because me is a fighter, me is a born survivor. And I shall not fail, I shall prevail. With Jesus Christ, anything is possible. So let's just gotta live. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Yeah, man. I'm seeing like Dennis Brown from them. Just go some one time, just go some one time. One time for Dennis Brown. Yeah, man, all of the beautiful ladies, this song's for you. Yeah. Ladies, you deserve everything, alright? I want to remind you tonight that y'all are special and y'all are beautiful. Oh, baby. What am I saying? Say, already. Oh, can't talk to you, but I want to listen. Say, never I am no good. You make some noise for this girl one time. Hold on. Yeah, man, don't scream, just kind of keep it treating out. Ready? For the beautiful lady. Baby, I will give you everything, darling. Catch it, chill. Said if I had no words. Feeling low, I always know just where to go. Can I sing this, baby? You touch my head, girl, you always understand the little things that hurt me inside. Yes. Father, I thank you for sending me this every weekend. Can I say, when I'm in misery, girl, that I see. Oh, baby, you turn away all the pain from me. Says your love is like cocaine, baby. Oh, let me sing it one time, sing, say, if I had the world to hear me out, I'd give it to you, girl. Woman, you deserve everything. Said if I had the world, would leave it on, I'd give it to you. Come on, make some noise for the man in the set. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, ladies, y'all deserve everything. Once again, the name's Saki the Dream, so don't scream. Just call a kid if you know what I'm. Oh, well. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me sing one more time, sing, say, that I'm a man, say to me, misery. Your girl, no, that I see. Yeah, you drive away all the pain in me. Your love is like cocaine, baby. Yeah, uncle, yeah. Say if I had the world to hear me out, I'd give it to you, girl. You deserve the world, baby. Say if I had the world, but hear me, darling, I'd give it to you, girl. Take away my respect. Ladies and gents, I want to thank you again for having a key in the dream in the building. Remember, don't scream. Keep checking it out on every platform. Akin_Federal on Instagram. Akin_Federal on TikTok. One love, blessings, guidance. Yeah, man.
Yo, me tell you about them rising. It's in the man's shoes. The man is a risen star. I'm not right again, you know. The man's shoes alone can tell a story. The voice is excellent, but the man's shoes. Now go with it. Alright. And that's to the side dance in up a storm. I like it, clap yourselves.
Now, baby. Girl, you're mine. Run it. Oh, no, yeah. You're mine, yeah. Girl, you're mine. Girl, you're mine. Oh, girl, you're mine. You're one of a kind. I think about you every time, lady. Girl, you're mine, oh, girl, you're mine. When I see you in the morning time, I see you as my queen, baby. I see you as a girl of my dreams. I can't believe that this is real. So let's just don't waste time. Oh, I see you as a girl of my life. So come we got some fun. Come we got some fun. Oh, no feeling. If we're not ready, then it's going to be here to make some noise. Please, Lord.
It's with us and it dies. I promise you won't leave. Promise you won't hurt me. Promise you won't ever make me wrong. And if you ever leave, and if you don't deserve me, baby, I don't know just what I do. Yes, I don't know just what I do. Thank you! How could I live? How could I? 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 How could I?
You know, give it up once again also for the Najeeriii Jammers are jamming! Kavoy Clark, Shagno, Black Scorpio, Jack Scorpio, production, mad! And one of my favorite songs that I said couldn't compare without doing him tonight. You see that side you know? Oh yeah man, I like what I'm going on with that now. Nice! You're just waiting for the middle next, right? So, boy, I tell you, say, I'm tired, I don't know me, huh? I'm tired. You one, colleague, I'm tired. I'm tired. June Isaacs in the house.
So much Emmanuel. If you love Danish Brown music, make some noise. Thank you. Run it. Sonia. Thank you to the production. Make some noise for yourself. And make some noise for my dad. We love you. We miss you. We honor you. Love.
Who is here? Put your hands together for him. Give thanks. Now you can go back, go sweat.